Good morning, students. Welcome in online English class. Yesterday we studied first lesson, Who Did Patrick's Homework? In that lesson, we read how the elf, the little man, helped Patrick to complete his homework. Now we are reading the last part of this story, and after it we will discuss question answer. Students, do your work neatly and carefully. Remember one thing, whenever we will give you homework, either you will send the pic of that work or send confirmation message on ERP on the same day or the next day. All of you must do it. Students, yesterday we read that after completed whole homework with the help of Patrick, the little man, the elf, without speaking anything, he moved out from the back door. Now the result came. Patrick scored A grade. His classmates were amazed. Amazed means surprised. Teachers were full of appreciation, and parents were trying to know what made him so perfect. What had happened to him? He became a modern child who cleaned his room himself, did his chorus. Chorus means work that must be done every day, like clean your room, keep all things in proper way. I think all of you also do the same thing. So that all works called chorus. What we say to that work? Chorus. He did all his work. Became a happy child who was never rude. Concluding, the writer wanted to share a secret that it was not elf but Patrick himself who did his work. Yes, students, it was not elf, not any little man. It was only Patrick himself who did his work. The elf just propelled. Propelled means pushed him to do everything. So students, I think all of you understood this story. All of you understand this story. Now we are discussing question answer. So students, first question is, what did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? The answer is, Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll, but in reality it was a very small sized man, an elf. Second question is, why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Why, students? Because he saved his life. Because the Patrick saved elf's life from the cat. So the answer is, the little man granted Patrick a wish as Patrick had saved his life from the cat. Now the third question, what was Patrick's wish? What was Patrick's wish, students? Patrick didn't like homework. So what was his wish? To complete his homework. Now the answer is, Patrick wanted the little man to do all his homework till the end of the semester, which was for 35 days. Fourth question is, in what subjects did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Answer is, the little man needed Patrick's help in English, maths and history. So students, fifth question is, how did Patrick help him? The answer is, Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him to do work. Moreover, he bought books from library and read out to him. In this way, Patrick helped him. All of you do the question answer in your notebook and do this work in neat handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.